Hi everyone, here I am with a little reminder for you. If you've had your bow maker put away for a couple of months and Christmas is coming and you want to make yourself a nice tree topper, and did you forget how to start? Well, let me show you. Just a quick reminder here. Make sure you have your ribbon, your spools going off to the right. You're gonna pinch. You're gonna put all your ribbon on top of each other. You're using this as one now. Okay, instead of pulling 3 ribbon, it's just like you're pulling 1. You're going to pinch, you're going to swing it into your left hand. You're going to come with your 26 gauge wire. Let me come in closer so you can see this. 26 gauge wire. I use the pre-cut just because I like to. It's just my preference. You're going to put it in the halfway point. You're going to pull it to yourself once, twice, wire up, wire down. Now, coming around the left side, you're forming your first loop. Just pull it around. See how beautifully that pulls? You're using 3 ribbon, but it's pulling as 1. You drop it over. See that? You drop it over. You pinch your top wire, always clockwise, always. You're going to pull up to the top and you're going to wrap it on itself. Hold it, your other piece of wire, wrap it around the nail just once, never any more than that. There's just no reason to. Stick that piece of wire under the end so you can get that little loop and get it off quickly at the end. There you are. You're ready to go. And this is how this should look at this point. 1 wire up, 1 wire down, and there you are, ready to go. And that's how it should look for now. And you're just gonna, let's go ahead and just start. Finger here, add your ribbon to your finger. There's your pinch, and there's your twist, and there you are, and there you go. Back and forth. You'll have your tree topper done in just a couple of minutes. I hope this helps you. Thank you so much for now.